Hello students, how are you? Missing your school, friends, playground during the lockdown period? So, while staying safe at home, let's start some creative learning. In this creative learning series, we have started aptitude series for you. In this aptitude series, we will start with calendar problem. Now, what is this calendar problem? Through this calendar problem, we will identify a day from the date. आपको हम एक डेट से किस तरह से डे फाइंड आउट करना है कि ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डेट व्हाट वाज द डे, वो इजीली फाइंड आउट हम कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो फ्यूचर की डेट हो या फिर पास्ट की डेट हो. तो स्टार्ट लर्निंग द कंसेप्ट. व्हाट वाज द कंसेप्ट हियर? वी नो इन 1 year there are 12 months and these months are divided into weeks and each week has 7 days. What are the 7 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now, this 1 year has how many days? 365 days. अगर मुझे इस 365 days को years में convert करना है तो how I will convert? I will divide it by 7. मैंने इसको 7 से divide किया, I get it is 52 weeks in a year plus 1 extra day, because when I divide 365 by 7 I get 52 answer and 1 remainder. So that one day we will call it as one odd day, and this odd day is the concept for the today. We will learn how to find out odd day. अगर हमें odd day निकालना आ गया तो whole problem will be sorted out in a minute. Now this is non-leap year, but after every 4 years there is a leap year, और leap year में कितने days होंगे? 366 days, because of one extra day in a month of Feb. Now when I will convert it into a weeks, I will divide it by 7. I get 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. I have 2 odd days in a leap year. Clear? But which year is a leap year? How we will find? So suppose this year 2020 is a leap year. कैसे पता चला? When I divide it by 4 and it exactly get divided by the 4, then it is a leap year. Now 1990, when I divide this by 4, it is not exactly divisible by the 4, means it is non-leap year. Clear? To find leap year, divide it by 4. But to find century year, the century year is 1900, 2000, 1600. These are different century years. To find either these century years are leap years or not, we will divide them by 400. If they are exactly divisible, then they are leap years. If they are not exactly divisible, like 1900 is not exactly divisible by 400, means this century year is non-leap year. Clear? Now learn these 3 things. Learn this, then you can easily find any day. In 100 years you can also calculate, but it is already calculated by me. आपको सिर्फ learn करना है कि in 100 years, from starting from the first year of English calendar, in 100 years there are 5 odd days, and in 300 years 1 odd day, and in 1600 years no odd day, and in 2000 years is no odd days, because these are exactly divided by the 7. So now this weeks, days of a week. For days of a week we will learn very simple code. starting from the 0. Then Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 7 days of a week, I have given 6 codes starting from Sunday, that is 0. Holiday, 0 day, then Monday, first day, up to 6 days. Means this is a 6 days of the school and this is a holiday is 0. So this is the concept. Now we will start with how to find out the day from the date. See. 15th August 1947, Independence Day. Okay, so what was the day on that date? So let's calculate. We have completed 15th of August up to 1947. Means 1947 year अभी complete नहीं हुआ है, but 1946 years are totally completed. Clear? And for 1947, how many days are gone? Just calculate. In month of January 31, then Feb 28, because this is non leap year. अगर हम इसको 4 से divide करेंगे तो ये exactly divisible नहीं होगा. Means this is non leap year. So January 31, Feb 28, March, April, May, June, July, and 15 days of August. It total is 227. Clear? Now I will divide this 1946 according to these numbers because I have data of these numbers. तो हमने इसको divide कर दिया 1600 plus 300. This is 1900 years and 46 years. Now in 1600 years 0 odd days. In 300 years 1 odd day. Now these 46 years. 46 years में से हमें लीप ईयर को अलग से करना है और नॉन लीप ईयर्स को अलग से करना है. सो आई विल डिवाइड दिस 46 बाय 4. जब हमने इस 46 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो क्या आया हमारे पास? इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 11. मीन्स 11 लीप ईयर्स. एंड हमने अभी पढ़ा कि इन 1 लीप ईयर देर आर 2 ऑड डेज. सो number of odd days in these 11 years are 22 and rest are 35 years. These 35 are non leap years. In 35 non leap years each 1 day is odd day because in 1 year non leap year only 1 odd day is there. So in 35 years 35 odd days is there. Now I will divide this 227 days by 7 to get odd days. I will divide this 227 by 7, then I get 3 as a remainder. I get here 3 as a remainder. So 3 is odd days. So from here I will get 3 as a odd days. So total number of odd days, odd days 1 and 22, 23, then 35 and 33, it is 61. So again I will convert these 61 into the weeks and divide it by 7. When I divide it by 7, I only want remainder. What I want? Remainder. And remainder is 3. Remainder is 3 and 3 means Wednesday. So on 15th of August, here I will get remainder 5. Sorry, I will get remainder 5 and 5 means Friday. So 15th of August 1947 is Friday. Clear? This is how we can easily calculate. When you will calculate by your own pen and paper, it is very easy for you. Now let's start with new date, that is today's date, 22nd of April 2020. April 2020. 20. Clear? Now here 2019 years are totally completed, and up to 22 April we have to calculate number of days up to 22 April. 31 days in January, 29 days in Feb, because this is leap year. And then March 31 days and 22 days of April. This is 113 days. Again I will divide this 2019 years. So when I divide, I will take this 2000 years and 19 years, and number of odd days in 2000 year is nil, that is 0. Now 19 years में से हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि कितने लीप ईयर्स होंगे एंड कितने नॉन लीप ईयर्स होंगे. फॉर लीप ईयर्स I will divide it by 4. When I divide it by 4, I get 5 here. 5 as a 4 I will get 4 leap years, because when I divide 19 by 4, 4 into 4, 16. So 4 are leap years and 4 leap year, and rest 15 are non-leap year. So for 4, number of odd days for the leap year, multiply by 2. This is 8, here 15, and now I need to divide this 113 by 7 to convert it into a weeks. When I convert it into a weeks, I will get remainder 1. When I divide 113 by 7, I get remainder 1. So my concept is to calculate odd days using the remainder. So 1. Now total number of odd days, it is 24. Now I divide 24 by 7 to convert into weeks. Again I get remainder 3. So 3 means Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Clear? Let's do it again with one more date, that is very important date. 15th of October 1931. It was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. So let's calculate the day. Date is 15th October 1931. Means 1930 years are completed and up to 15th of October. So calculate how many number of days are here. 31 days in January, 28 in Feb, and then March, April, May, June, July, August 31 days, September, and 15 days of October. It is 288 days. Now I will divide this 1930 into 1600, 300 plus 30. For 1600, 0 odd days, and for 300 it is 1 odd day. And when I divide this 30 by 4 to get leap years, when I divide it by 4, 7 are leap year and 23 are non-leap year. So from 7, 14 odd days, because in a leap year each year has 2 odd days. Then 23, and when I divide this 288 by 7 to convert into week, I get 1 as remainder, that is 1 odd days. So these 23 and 1, 24, 25 and 14 is total number of odd days. That is 39. Now I will divide 39 by 7 to convert it into a weeks. I will get a remainder because 7 5s are 35. So I get remainder 4. So 4 is a remainder. 4 means Thursday, means this is Thursday. The day on which Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam born was Thursday. You can also check from the calendar also. So now take your pen, paper and find out the day of your birthday, your parents' birthday, parents' anniversary and your friend's birthday. Thank you.